What is the transformation that I'm offering you on this channel? And this may be subtle at first, but it will become very noticeable over time. And what is this transformation that I'm talking about? Well, if you're someone who's feeling stressed, ungrounded, rushing around, always chasing your tail, never feeling like you're getting everything done that you need to and that you want to, then this video is for you. I'm talking about a shift here, a shift into a state where you feel calm, grounded, relaxed, and like you're actually enjoying your life. You're feeling joy in your everyday tasks. And this is the transformation that I'm offering you here on this channel. And I really would like to encourage you to try out a couple of the movement sequences that I offer here on this channel and see for yourself what this can do for you. And they are somewhat stretches, somewhat flowy sequences. And it's not just about doing these sequences, but it's actually taking away what you're learning about your body and about yourself while you do these sequences into your everyday life. So maybe as you're sitting down doing work, just gently checking in with your neck, for example, or with your lower back, or just sensing into your body, doing a body scan. And the more you do this, the more sequences you follow on here, and the more you incorporate that into your everyday life, the more you can just go through your day and notice things in your body, notice things about yourself, notice when you need a rest, notice when you need those micro moments of time out. And you might say, I don't really have time for any of that. And I would suggest that this actually increases your productivity, because there's no point in staring at a screen at work, being completely blank because you're so overwhelmed. And this is actually those moments where you need to take a break, and taking a break, taking yourself away, tuning in with your body, sensing into what you need to do for yourself, that will then get you to come back and actually complete the tasks a lot more efficiently. So let me humor you and try this out. Give it a go. I would love to know how you go. Please let me know in the comments what you enjoyed, what worked for you, and what you would like to know more about, what you would like to see more of. And I would love to put that in place for you. And for those who do not know me, who are new to this channel, of course, I'm Katerina. I'm a registered clinical counselor and a registered dance movement therapist. I live here in beautiful Australia, and I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you in the next video.